Hey everyone, it's Tony, and today I have something I want to show you. So pre-pandemic, I've been going through the belt ranking system on Reddit/r/lockpicking, and I worked my way up to a green belt. And I've picked American locks, 1100s before, and other locks before. So I'm like, you know what, I can get my blue belt. So I had these videos ready for my belt system that I had not submitted yet. And I had sent a challenge lock that I created off to somebody back in 2020. So yesterday I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get these belts going again so I can be, more active within the community other than just with 3D printing. And I submitted my video via the Lockpicking United Discord server, and the video got approved, but then they asked if I had proof of my challenge lock. And I'm like, oh yeah, I'll go back and find the email I sent. And for the life of me, I could not find that anywhere. So I just told them, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna create a new challenge lock and I'm gonna send that off. And that's exactly what I did. However, for those of you that know me, I can't just do something simple. That's not how I am. So I went ahead and put together an entire challenge lock package that I'm going to be sending off. And this first one's going to go off to Sandman. And then when he's done, he can send it back and I'll ship it off to somebody else if they'd like. And this lock is called Hand Grenade, and I'll show you why. So when you receive it, it's going to come in this nice box just like this. And on top, you'll see the logo of a grenade. And then this is my personal logo for Tony Varelli. And it's even got the shape of a 3D print nozzle. That's kind of the idea of the logo. So if you ever see this on any prints, that's my personal logo instead of like the 3D Locksport logo. So let's open this up and see what you're going to get when you receive my challenge lock. So you're going to get this nice little package just like this. So here's the lock. It's a mortise, and it comes in this holder, hence in your hand. So it's a hand grenade. So this will be the lock in there. It's a 5-pin quick set lock, but very, very customized pins, and maybe something hasn't been done to the chambers. You'll also get a plug follower that is perfect for this lock, and it has the little hand grenade logo there on the bottom. And it's got a spot here that all you have to do is press on either side to easily tip it out. Some of you might know what this is because it looks familiar to you, but if you pull this out, it's a challenge coin that has the hand grenade on one side and a pinning tray on the other. So you can go ahead and use this to gut the lock afterwards to see what's inside. And then lastly, I did a custom key as well. So this is actually, the way I did this is I started the print, paused it halfway, put the key in, and let it finish. So this grenade is on this lock, or this key forever. So when you stick this inside of like this, it does turn the lock, but it looks really cool with the grenade sticking off there. So they all have their own little spot inside this package, just like this. So if you ever end up getting this from me, this is exactly what you'll receive. I think what I'm going to do is possibly allow people to maybe keep the challenge coin and send everything else back, and then I'll just recreate a challenge coin every time someone gets it, so they have a little memorabilia from when they pick this lock. Anyways, like I said, this is going to be for my blue belt requirements, and this will be going out to Sandman tomorrow morning, and we'll see if he does a video on how to pick it. The only requirement I have, if you get this from me and you do a video on it, you're not allowed to gut it on video. And the reason for that is I don't want to give away what's inside the lock for the next person who's going to get it. Feel free to gut it to your heart's content and keep that, even pictures or video, for yourself. I just ask that you don't post the video online. That way others don't know what's inside the lock. So that is my hand grenade challenge lock for my blue belt with Reddit. And like I said, it's going out to Sandman, and then after he's done with it, maybe you'll be the next lucky person. You can always message me and let me know. You can either email me at tvarelli@gmail.com, which is my personal email, or you can still email me at info@3dlocksport.com. Either one, I'll take a look at it and get you a list of people who want it, and we'll get it shipped out to you if you're one of the people who does. Anyways, that's all I got today. Please like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm getting close to that 1,000 subscriber goal, so I'd appreciate all the subscriptions I can get. And until next time, have a good day.